Protecting your vehicle from harsh weather, dust, and debris is essential for every car owner. In this video, we explore the top 5 best outdoor car covers designed to keep your car safe and well-maintained all year round. From durable materials to reliable designs, these car covers provide effective protection against sun, rain, snow, and dirt. Whether you have a sedan, SUV, or hatchback, finding the right outdoor car cover can extend your vehicle's lifespan and maintain its appearance effortlessly. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is GUNHYI All-Weather Outdoor Car Cover. GUNHYI 16 Layers Car Cover provides full exterior protection for a wide range of vehicles including Ford Mustang Shelby, Chevrolet Camaro Corvette, Kia Optima, Audi A4 A5, and BMW 5 Series 520 FIVE. This heavy-duty design shields automobiles from sun, ultraviolet rays, dust, snow, fallen leaves, industrial pollution, bird droppings, pollen, animals, acid rain, and extreme weather. It fits coupe and convertible models with lengths between 186 to 193 inches. The inner lining is crafted from soft cotton, which helps maintain the paint finish while adding an extra layer of care. Breathable vents prevent moisture buildup and maintain a dry surface, while 3 windproof straps secure the cover in strong winds. A driver door zipper allows convenient access without removing the cover. A microfiber towel is included to safely clean the vehicle before covering, avoiding scratches caused by dirt or sand. GUNHYI provides a storage bag for easy organization and transport of the car cover when not in use. This car cover is suitable for indoor and outdoor environments, protecting vehicles in all seasons. The materials used are resistant to wear and tearing, offering long-lasting durability. Universal fit ensures compatibility with multiple automobile models, and the package includes 1 premium car cover, 1 microfiber towel, and 1 storage bag along with 12 months of product support. Vehicle owners can maintain the appearance of their automobiles while shielding them from harsh environmental factors, extending the lifespan and keeping the exterior in excellent condition. In our list, the number 2 product name is WMCHEYI All-Weather Outdoor Car Cover. WMCHEYI 6 Layers Car Cover provides full exterior protection for sedans with lengths up to 185 inches. The design shields automobiles from ultraviolet rays, rain, snow, wind, leaves, dust, dirt, scratches, industrial pollutants, and bird droppings in all seasons. This heavy-duty cover includes breathable layers and reinforced seams that ensure durability and long-lasting use while keeping vehicles protected from harsh weather conditions. The material combines non-woven fabric, polyethylene, ethylene vinyl acetate, and soft lining to create a water-resistant and durable surface. Front and rear elastic hems and drawstrings help the cover fit securely, while 4 wind stripes keep it firmly in place during strong winds. A driver door zipper provides easy access without removing the cover entirely, making it convenient for everyday use. Reflective strips enhance visibility at night, allowing the contours of the vehicle to be seen clearly and helping to prevent accidents. WMCHEYI car cover fits most sedan models within the specified length and is not suitable for hatchbacks or sport utility vehicles. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, providing all-weather protection for every season. The package includes 1 car cover and a storage bag for easy folding and transport. Owners can maintain the appearance of their automobiles while keeping them safe from environmental damage, ensuring the exterior remains in excellent condition. This car cover allows vehicles to stay clean, safe, and well-preserved without complicated installation or maintenance, making it a reliable choice for long-term care. In our list, the number 3 product name is iCarCover All-Weather Outdoor Car Cover. iCarCover 15-Layer Car Cover provides full exterior protection for vehicles measuring 184 to 188 inches. It is suitable for sedans, coupes, convertibles, and hatchbacks, including models such as Audi A4, Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, Honda Accord, and Tesla Model 3. The sky gray design ensures a snug fit covering the entire vehicle while protecting it from water, sun, ice, wind, hail, dust, and scratches. This all-weather cover maintains the exterior in pristine condition throughout the year. The construction uses premium waterproof materials that repel rain and prevent damage to paint and surfaces. Elastic edges and sturdy straps keep the cover securely in place, even during strong winds or heavy snow. Universal protection ensures that vehicles remain safe in all seasons, from hot summers to cold winters. The full exterior coverage extends to the hood, roof, and sides, providing comprehensive defense against environmental factors. iCarCover offers a portable and easy-to-use solution for automobile care. It can be folded and stored conveniently when not in use. The design accommodates both classic and modern vehicles, offering reliable durability and lasting performance. Owners can protect their investment while keeping the car clean and safe from harsh weather and accidental scratches. This 15-layer car cover delivers dependable protection for every climate, ensuring automobiles remain in excellent condition with minimal maintenance and effort. It combines high-quality materials with practical design, making it suitable for everyday use and long-term vehicle preservation. In our list, the number 4 product name is OWEEIO All-Weather Outdoor Car Cover. OWEEIO 30 Layers Car Cover is designed for sedans measuring between 171 and 180 inches. The silver exterior ensures complete coverage, keeping automobiles safe from rain, snow, wind, dust, and sun throughout the year. The thickened layers of material provide strength and durability, while the waterproof construction prevents moisture from reaching the vehicle's surface. With a universal fit, it offers reliable protection for a wide range of sedan models in different weather conditions. The soft cotton lining inside the cover helps protect the paint and finish of the car while preventing scratches. A convenient driver door zipper allows quick access without removing the entire cover, making it easier to reach inside when needed. 3 strong windproof straps secure the cover firmly, reducing the risk of it being displaced by heavy winds. 6 reflective strips improve visibility at night or in low-light areas, ensuring the vehicle can be seen clearly and minimizing the chance of accidental bumps. This automobile cover can be folded and stored in the provided storage bag when not in use, making it portable and easy to manage. Built with 30 protective layers, it delivers long-lasting resistance against wear and tear while maintaining performance in extreme climates. Suitable for outdoor and indoor use, it allows car owners to keep their vehicles in clean and well-maintained condition. OWEEIO provides dependable quality with additional support, giving vehicle owners peace of mind while extending the life and appearance of their automobiles. In our list, the number 5 product name is GORDITA All-Weather Outdoor Car Cover. GORDITA SUV Waterproof Car Cover is built to provide complete protection for vehicles up to 190 inches in length. The silver design is made from high-quality polyester fabric that is durable, tear-resistant, and gentle on the paint. It helps keep the surface safe from scratches, fading, and environmental damage, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. With a universal fit, it is suitable for a wide range of sport utility vehicles, including popular models like Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot. This automobile cover offers reliable defense in every season, guarding against sun, snow, rain, wind, and dust. The strong material stands up to changing climates, keeping the exterior clean and reducing the effects of harsh weather. Whether parked outdoors in summer heat or during winter frost, the cover maintains performance and ensures that the vehicle remains in excellent condition. Reflective safety strips are added to enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making the car easier to spot at night and reducing the risk of accidents. The lightweight construction also makes it convenient to handle, allowing quick installation and removal without any difficulty. When not in use, the cover can be folded and stored easily, making it practical for daily use. This SUV car cover not only protects vehicles from environmental elements, but also adds extra security and care. It is a thoughtful option for car owners who want to maintain their automobile's appearance while ensuring lasting durability and dependable all-weather coverage. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.